Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to record desktop with Nvidia GeForce Experience. First of all, open the GeForce Experience application on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, click on this share icon at top right corner and this type of interface will appear. You can see that there are a bunch of features here now. You just need to click on the record button and a drop-down menu will open up. Simply select the settings feature and then change the settings to your liking. Make sure to turn off instant replay if it is already turned on, or you won't be able to change these settings. Once you are done, go back one step and click on the record button again and select the start feature. After that, the recording will get started automatically. Now you can record anything on your desktop without interruptions. Once you are done with the recording, click on the share button again, select record, and then hit stop and save. Now, if you click on the gallery feature, all of your recordings will be displayed. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.